die.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, as you could see in my previous video, a few days ago arrived an old hi-fi set Tesla from 70s. It was the turntable or record player Tesla NC440, the reel-to-reel tape deck Tesla B100 stereo, together with this old Tesla stereo receiver SP201. It has the original manual. There were, by all of these devices were manuals. So by this manual guarantee list and also the bill. The bill, this is the date, this is 9th of December 1974. So 50 years old, or 50 years after the sale. Incredible, and the price was a huge sum, 5,530 Czechoslovak crowns in 70s. It was about 3 months salary. Huge money. And I must say, I love these receivers because the sound is for me pretty nice. Now are connected with these cables my professional dynacords, which are on the floor with these horn drivers. 200 or 250 watts power, real professional boxes, and you will hear, or you could hear how it sounds. It's incredible nice. I will test this receiver here in this video, but if I will testing the FM tuner tuning, I cannot let it play longer than 5, maximum 6 seconds if there will be some music regarding the copyright. Yes, from the front view, pretty nice. You can see the light. It's on, off, on. The tuning works. The sound goes from the both channels. If you will hear the right channel a little more weak, it's the reason is that the right box is there on the floor, and this left channel, left box is more near to the camera. So let's try it. And I must say that it's a pity that here is a damage of the wooden cabinet. You could see it at the beginning of the video, but this is the only one problem which I see here. I have now here in my listening room 2 pieces of this receiver. One of them you could see in my previous video about 3-4 months ago, but this piece sounds better. So let's try it. Now is connected the signal from the normal CD player, which is here under the table. Let's try the track number 3. It's a dynamic. Watts professional boxes. Balance. Left channel. Right channel. The sound is the same. You sure hear the left channel better, but here I hear the same. Stereo. Bass. Treble. I believe that you hear that the sound is really not bad. Let's try the FM tuning.
Na Vyškov u Brodku je nepojízdné auto.
I've connected this old little damaged FM antenna. The half is missing, and here downstairs in my listening room is always problem to tune by modern radios tuners. It's problem to find some FM station to tune it by modern ones. So let's see how tuning of this 50 years old receiver, how it is sensitive. Because by modern tuners I can tune here 3, 4, maximum 5 radio stations on FM. Let's watch it. We have it on the left side. This is OERT. It doesn't work. No broadcasting on OERT. Here with this position, and here starts the CCIR.
She was through and calmly walked. Hlavní prioritou polského předsednictví jsou různé aspekty bezpečnosti. Tradiční novoroční ohňostroj vedení...
But the stereo control didn't go on.
A od jara reguluje používání pyrotechniky v krajském městě. Peníze v řádu 100 000 korun chtějí využít na...
Ale během chvíle se...
A uděláme si malý výp.
Tak nějaký ty techniky.
It stops by about 102 MHz.
He was the one. She stared in.
And back to the CD regarding the copyright. And as it is usual, all of devices which I test here, which I have for sale, I have to give them my internal number, because from some types of devices I have 10, maybe 15, maybe 20 pieces the same type, and during the type more pieces, maybe 50, 70 pieces of the same type. So each of device should have my internal number. So if you are interested for this piece, for concretely this receiver, you can find it later on my website Angelicaaudio CZ under this number on the page Hi-Fi amplifiers receivers 179345. The sound is incredible. So next info, I've made digital scans of this manuals, of all manuals which were by this Hi-Fi set Tesla. So if you are interested in digital scan of this manual and bill and guarantee list, it's very simple. Write me per email. Email you can find on my website Angelicaaudio CZ on the page contact, and write me email that you would like to have to receive per email the digital scan of this digital copy of this manual. But please don't forget to write me in email also this number, because I have to find the scan copies in some folder, in folder number 179345 in my computer. So once more, and as I say in at the end of each my video, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you like my videos, you can also join my channel. Click on the join, don't worry, nothing happens. You can read all the conditions, and then you can decide if you would like to join or not to join. You receive some perks, you can watch all my videos as a members first, and you can receive also some free gifts from me. Free, totally free, some of them with free shipping European Union, some of them are not with free shipping because they are bigger ones. So once more, thank you and have a nice day.